Welcome back to Prime Edition. Now, onto the corridors of justice. Sarah Wairimu, the widow of the late Tob Cohen, has suffered a legal setback after the High Court in Kibera denied her bail. Sarah, who has been in remand at the Langata women's prison, has pleaded with the court to conditionally release her as she battles allegations of involvement in the murder of the Dutch. In her ruling, Justice Diana Kavedza stated that she was convinced by the prosecution that Wairimu's release could interfere with the case. Here is that report by Ruth Mamboy.
Sarah Wairimu will be remanded at Langata Women's Prison until two crucial witnesses testify in a case where she is charged in the murder of her late Dutch husband Tob Cohen.
It is my considered view, therefore, that the principles of justice and public interest outweigh the accused's right to liberty at this stage.
This is after Kibera High Court denied her bond after the prosecution opposed her release. Justice Diana Kavedza said the court must safeguard the integrity of the trial by protecting witnesses and preventing potential interference.
Given the unpredictable nature of when and from where threats might arise, courts maintain the authority to implement protective measures for witnesses at any stage of the proceedings.
The court, in denying her bail, said the submission made by the DPP that she is likely to intimidate or interfere with the witnesses has been proven with sufficient evidence.
The evidence on record indicates that attempts were made by the accused or her associates to intimidate the witnesses, thereby deterring them from giving testimony against the accused.
Wairimu was rearrested in January this year after the DPP, Renson Mulele, preferred fresh charges against her. The case will be mentioned virtually on 26 February for pre-trial directions.
On behalf of the family, we feel that justice is beginning to take its course, bearing in mind that this is a matter that has taken 6 years to begin.
One compelling reason by the prosecution that two chief witnesses must testify has made Wairimu to continue cooling her feet in prison. And Nakuru High Court has sentenced Nakuru Governor Susan Kihika and Nakuru Water and Sanitation Services Company Managing Director James Nganga to a 7-month jail term with an option of a 2 million fine. The virtual ruling comes after Governor Kihika and Nganga were found guilty of contempt of court for illegally disposing of waste into Lake Nakuru.
They've also been ordered to restore the lake within 6 months. So we plan to take a mention in 6 months and confirm the position.
Elsewhere, Chief Magistrate Court at Milimani has slapped 5 individuals accused of stealing 83 million Kenya shillings from the Kenya Union of Savings and Credit Cooperative Limited with a bond of between 7 and 10 million shillings.
Bond of 1 million Kenya shillings plus 2 sureties of similar amount or a cash bail of 200,000 plus 3 contact persons. We come for pre-trial on the 6th day of March 2025.
Trial Magistrate Dolphina Alego declined to adjust the bail terms despite a defense request, citing it is commensurate with the offenses committed. Ruth Mamboy for Prime Edition.